the right place.
So did you copy? We saw S down.
Do you see the S-band signal of the launcher of the Norcia now? Yeah. Received in there.
All positions are D. We have received the post-separation LPM from SpaceX. Hey, so all positions are D. We have a signal from Euclid in space.
Yes.
Well, there we have it. The acquisition of signal has been confirmed, and wow. These spacecraft like to keep us waiting and in suspense, don't they? That is fantastic news. The team will now be talking to the spacecraft and checking all is well after the launch. So I think it's time let's go back to Susie and see that very dish that is actually pointing exactly at the spacecraft as we speak. So Susie, you've got the spacecraft in your sight. What now?
As you can see behind me, we're tracking Euclid now. We're getting telemetry from Euclid, and shortly we'll be turning on the transmitters and talking back to Euclid. So we'll be able to see Euclid on his journey. We'll be tracking Euclid through the early hours of the morning here until sort of 3 o'clock. At the moment it's only 10,000 kilometres away, but we expect to track it out to about 90,000 kilometres range. And you'll see the dish behind me will rise up to about 45 degrees, and then it'll actually come back down and set again over here in the west. And we'll hand over to our sister station in Spain at Cebreros, which is another beautiful big 35-metre dish just like this one for ESA, and they'll track it as it goes past them. And then of course they'll hand over to Malargüe station in Argentina. And then tomorrow we get it back. So over the next few days we maintain 100% coverage for Euclid, so that the scientists and engineers who are tasked with looking after the spacecraft can get on with their commissioning tests and get on with all of the work that they have to do over the coming days to settle the spacecraft down.
So much, Susie. That is such exciting news. So I've been rejoined by Pierre. Welcome back, Pierre.
Thank you very much.
So yeah, it's looking very, very good. So Euclid will collect an absolute treasure trove of data that will be interest not just to cosmologists, but presumably scientists and astronomers in general.
Yes, because
in order to, we have very challenging goals for Euclid, understanding dark matters, dark energy, and this survey we are collecting, which is a huge collection of images in the visible, in the near infrared, and also spectra. And we are talking about working with more than 1.5 billion galaxies, tens of millions in spectroscopy. And in fact, what we collect goes much beyond cosmology. Plenty of scientists, astronomers will find in this kind of gold mine of data, will find what they want for their own research.
Yeah.